Okay, don't mind my mess. This is just, I've been playing around with these speakers, so I'm gonna show you guys these speakers. I got them for $20 from a friend. They are the Centrios power base system. The amp is a little dirty, but it doesn't matter really. They look pretty sick. I think that in 2005 they were like $300 or something, so pretty good. So I'm just gonna test it. The sound is off, by the way. Usually it's gonna be on, but for this sound test it's gonna be off. Okay, so Chris sent me this song. I'm gonna play it right away. There's a stupid advertisement, so I'm gonna turn off the sub meanwhile, because I said it was gonna be off. Hi Pixel, you good? You good? Okay. They aren't very bass heavy or that loud, like they do get pretty loud. That wasn't max, but if ever there's a problem, I can just use this amp because it's better. But yeah. Drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September. Okay, now just to see, I'm gonna play a more bass heavy song. I don't think it's gonna perform well in that, but it's okay. It's like $20. It's nothing too crazy. Okay, let's go for like, not a bass boost. Let's go for not 44 hertz. This one, this. It's a bass boost still, but okay. I think the right one is unplugged, but I'm gonna fix that later. Forward it. Oh yeah, the right one is unplugged. It's loose, but whatever. Not that bass heavy. Yeah, for $20, that's definitely a good purchase. Let me know what you think about them. They're pretty good.